Okay, so today, if you remember in the last video that I took, which is the intro video, this time I did a volcano. Last time I did the intro video. And remember I said I'd do a volcano? Well, I'm gonna do that this video. And it's all gonna be about volcanoes, okay? So, this is not going to be like colour like lava. There's not going to be any, real life volcanoes in this video. It's pretty easy to make. I'll go through the ingredients. If you want to make it red, I'll add that ingredient too. So, what you need to do is you need to get a beaker or some sort of old cup. That's still got water in it. Okay, just ignore that because it will bubble over anyway. So your beaker here, and you don't have to have these measures. I'm just trying it around the house. You need your bicarbonate of soda. There we go, bicarbonate of soda. Pretty easy. You can get them from supermarket. It's known as baking soda. Get them from supermarket. You can buy them from Sainsbury's. It's pretty easy. If you get them from Sainsbury's, they look like this. Okay, so we've got our bicarbonate of soda. You can't really see it there, but it's at the bottom. They put white stuff in a white bottle. Seriously? I know, right? Amazing. Okay, just done. So, and for last but not least, vinegar. Same thing. It smells horrible. I know. And you just need your vinegar. Okay, so let's go for step one. I'll move those over so we don't. Okay. First step, pour some of your bicarbonate of soda. About half a little bit into. Okay, I'm not going to do it. Okay, and that's step number one. Put the bicarbonate of soda into there. Step two, get your vinegar. But who would like some fantastic erupting volcano? Are you ready? Let's go. What the vinegar does. So we add that in. See, now it's bubbling up. See, that's the vinegar making it bubble up. Smells horrible. Oh, might need to add a little more vinegar. Make it bubble up. Oh, that's rising like mad. See how it's fizzing up there? I need to put the right amount of vinegar. Oh, okay, that's a little too much. Oh, it's bubbling over. It's bubbling over. You can see that now. You can see that bubbling over, can't you now? You can add red dye to this to make it look more like lava. You can always add red dye to it. Okay, I'm going to wait for that to bubble down. See, it's awesome now. See how it goes white, coaty colour, bubbles. It's actually quite awesome. Wait for it to bubble down. It should do in a minute. It does take a while to bubble down usually. It's kind of thin layer now. Bubbling down now. So what happens is bicarbonate of soda, vinegar, bubbles. That's actually quite awesome. Let's get a close up. See, awesome. You can see a little bubble festy on the side there. That's actually quite awesome. And I told you, if you don't wait for that to bubble down, then we'll go and pour that all. Then the bubbles are wearing away now. I'm going to sleep. Oh! I'm going to sleep! Takes a long time for it to bubble down, guys.
I'm afraid there was only one slice of white bread, so you need to cut it in half.
What are we having?
I'm having finished.
No. Okay. So don't. Okay, Charlie, do you wanna come? Charlie, do you wanna come and? Charlie, do you wanna come and do the honours of subscribe and telling them to don't forget to subscribe? My sister,
Don't forget to subscribe, people.
Yes. That's my sister.
Please subscribe.
And remember,
it's crushing his dreams.
Yeah, I'm letting her do the honours of ending off the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and view. Okay?
Subscribe. Oh my god, that's so cheesy. Delete it.
Oh, I so have to put that on. I so have to put that on the internet.
No, it's me. We best stop, Lori.
Yeah, me too.